Getting into the trunk can be done so many different ways. There's a button to the left-hand side of the steering wheel. You can utilize the key fob to do it. Just underneath the L in Volvo, there's a little button that you can push there. And then, as long as you've got the key fob on you, all you're gonna do is just swipe your foot underneath. Foot activated power! Off to the left-hand side, you're going to find a little light. There's also a med kit that's got Velcro on it, so you could stick it to different parts of the interior. And then there's also a 12-volt power point. Along the right-hand side, there's a little light, and then there's also the option of raising or lowering the vehicle a little bit. It's very small and subtle. You can see it lowering now, but if you need to lower the car a little bit in order to get things in or out, you've got the flexibility to do it. That's so freaking cool. The little things, they get me sometimes. Underneath, there's also the charge cable there, and a little bit further underneath, you're also going to find the goop and the little inflator. Folding down the second row seats can be done from the trunk if you can reach it. So along the top, you're just gonna grab and push in order to fold it down. And it is a fairly flat fold. If you don't need to get into the trunk, you do have the flexibility of folding down the second row seats from the second row instead of getting into the trunk. But there's a great amount of space, and the cargo measurements that you're looking at, specifically behind the first row, are going from right where the liftgate would close to right in behind that little armrest console between the first row seats. So you might gain or lose a little bit of extra space just depending on how far forward or backwards those seats are. The second row seats are also locked into place, so you can't slide them forwards or backwards or recline them at all. So it's this fold, but it is a 60/40 bench, but there's a lot of space inside of this ride. You can fit a lot of junk in this trunk. And then one neat thing about a lot of Volvo vehicles is that they've got a little pass-through just in behind the second row seats. It's actually for skis. And then there are buttons along the liftgate door if you wanted to close.